Hello Internet! Today we are working on putting some plate covers on at a house. We've got some of these distressed metal ones from Bare Metal Creations, our sister company. But what we're running into on some of these is the Backsplash. It butted up all the way to the edge of the box, and that's not letting this screw pass through and tighten down. So to fix that, all we're going to have to do here is get our pencil, trace around where this hole is, and we're going to drill just a small hole for that to pass through. So what we're going to do is let's go turn that breaker off, and once it's turned off we'll pull the plug out, drill 2 holes, put it back in, and we'll be good to go. Now this plug does have a handy little green light that you may saw go off, and that tells us if we have electricity or not. But to always be safe, we're going to test it with our electric tester here, just to make sure before we take it out. Okay, we are good to go there. Now let's simply take it out and drill those holes. Okay, now that we got them both out here, just gonna slightly pull it out and just enough room to drill that hole. We don't have to pull the whole thing off. So I'm using a 9/64 drill bit size. The size doesn't matter so much, it's just, you know, a good size bigger than the actual screw. And what we're going to do, we're just going to do it right there as close as we can to the box without getting into the box. Main thing with laminate, we want to make sure it's a sharp, non-dull drill bit so it won't chip it out. So let's get to drilling. Give it a little twist, get that bottom one right on the edge, so it's a little tricky. I think we're good to go. Let's put it back together. Now when we're getting to near the end where we're fixing to snug all this down, plugs and light switches have play in them where they can be pushed back and forth. So we want 2 things. We want to make sure it's straight up and down, but also line it up with those holes we just drilled. So let's snug it down where they're all in line, and we'll be ready for the new plate cover. Okay, nice and snug. The holes are in line. So let's get this new plate on. All right. I'll turn that breaker back on, and then this project will be good to go. Now, if you would like one of these wall plate covers made by our sister company, Bare Metal Creations, I'll leave a link down below. Otherwise, have fun and go learn something.